On the Fox riverbed, 100 volunteers a day are racing to clear as much rubbish as possible before any spring rain arrives. They've got help from the Defence Force personnel and vehicles, but Kay Palmer from Nelson is unsure why that took nearly 4 months.
It was late. This whole thing was started late. That should have happened straight away. Government didn't step in early. They're doing this now. Certainly we've got the numbers now, but this should have happened months ago.
But Eugenie Sage says with about 100 tonnes collected to date, Operation Fox is making really good progress. She rejects the Defence Force response came too late.
I think people who make that comment don't appreciate that it's very easy to mobilise one person or a few people who live locally, but when you're mobilising Defence Force personnel from around New Zealand and the equipment too, that has taken a bit longer. I am delighted that the Defence Force came in, they sent their reconnaissance team, they worked out what resources were required, what logistics were needed, and now they've got people on the ground really helping.
As for other at-risk landfills, she says an expert panel are continuing to investigate them as part of wider climate adaptation work, though there's no silver bullet solution.